Dear Tai Chi friends, my name is Jing. The beautiful Tai Chi movements are coherent. They require synchronization. Hands and your eyes and your step synchronize together. In this session, we are going to learn 倒卷红. I will use 4 countings to guide you through this movement. Please pay attention to the movement of your hands, the timing of turning the head, and how to move your step. Now, please follow my step. Ready? One, relax your whole body, but keep the step. 2, slowly raise up left foot. 3, step backward with toes on the floor first. 4, gradually shift your weight back. 1, keep the step. 2, raise up right foot slightly. 3, with right toes on the floor. 4, gradually shift weight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, keep the step. 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, keep the step. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Always keep your body straight. Keep your head up high. Now, please follow me to do the hands movement. Ready? Begin. 1. Gradually turn both palms facing up. 2. Bend your right hand toward ear. 3. Lower your right hand. 4. 1. With both palms gradually turn up. 2. Bend your left arm toward ear. 3. Lower left hand. 4. Push it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's synchronize the upper body with the step. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. Begin. We can also use the movement of Junfeng as a warm-up. The way of training is to walk back to one direction, and when you don't have the space, you turn around, walk toward the other direction. By this way, we save time and can do the training effectively.